Hey, let me show you how to connect your audio and video in a Webex meeting using the desktop app. When you start or join a meeting, you'll be asked to connect your audio and video. First, decide how you're going to connect your audio by choosing an option from the drop-down menu. Depending on the meeting, you can have the meeting call your phone, you can call in using your phone or computer, or you can have the meeting call your video system. We recommend using your computer to call in for the quickest option. Select your headset or the speakers and microphone you want to use from the Speaker and Microphone drop-down menu. Click More Options to check or adjust the volume of your speaker or microphone. Click the Test button to make sure your speakers or headphones are working correctly and set the speaker volume. If Automatically Adjust Volume is checked, your microphone volume will change based on how loudly you're speaking. Uncheck this setting to adjust the slider manually. Click OK once you're happy with your audio settings. If you have a camera set up, it will be selected by default. Check your appearance in the video preview before you're live. Don't worry, no one in the meeting can see you until you click the Connect Audio and Video button. Turn off your video by selecting No Video if you don't want to use it. When you're ready, click Connect Audio and Video. You can click the video connection icon in the meeting controls to stop video or switch cameras, or select Audio Connection from the More menu to adjust your volume or switch audio type. Webex will remember your audio and video settings for the next time you join a Webex meeting. Give it a try.